Hi guys! So today we are on the train, the high-speed train or the bullet train from Moscow to St. Petersburg. This train, the bullet train in Russia, this one we call Sapsan. The Sapsan is the Russian name. It means a type of bird in falcon family. So today we're going to learn the word about the high-speed train or the bullet train or Shinkansen in Japanese. The high-speed train, the bullet train or the Shinkansen in Thai we say รถไฟความเร็วสูง 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 which รถไฟ means train, ความเร็ว means speed, and สูง is high. So it's not so difficult, but we don't have the high-speed train in Thailand yet. I hope it's coming soon and we're gonna travel around faster. Okay, ka. Let's see the view and enjoy. Bye bye. Checking temperature. Thank you. Check inside. Okay, now we go with what we have now in this bag. They've got slippers so we can sit relaxing without shoes, and in this bag they've got the sleeping eye cover, eye mask, and this to wear the shoes, and this is I just opened this like that to clean the shoes. And next is what else? Comb and the ear plug. Yay! That's all for the stuff, the souvenir to use in the train. And now the train gets faster. Look at the tower. Bye bye Moscow. Not so busy. Service. So the Sapsan train is the bullet train, and the speed is very fast. It's like Shinkansen in Japan, and we're gonna take around 3.5 hours from Moscow to St. Petersburg. It's around 600 plus kilometers, and it's gonna be fast. And now, oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. And this is our menu. It's too early. Wow, it's nice. Breakfast.
городов-героев. Будьте внимательны и не забывайте свои вещи в вагоне. Спасибо за выбор компании «Российские железные дороги».
Ladies and gentlemen, the train is arriving at St. Petersburg. Please be careful and don't forget your luggage. Inform the train crew about any unattended items.
You're right.
We welcome your comments and
Here we are, St. Petersburg. Yay! I hope you enjoy the trip and let's explore St. Petersburg together. Bye!